In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record acoustic guitar with one mic. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Recording acoustic guitar with a single microphone is a common and effective technique. While using multiple microphones can offer more sonic flexibility, a well-paced single mic can capture a beautiful and balanced sound. There are a lot of factors that go into this, so I'm gonna try to break them down for you in this quick and very fast-paced video. So first, a condenser microphone is generally preferred for acoustic guitar due to the ability to capture the instrument's nuances. A large diaphragm condenser can provide a warm, full sound, while a small condenser often offers a more detailed and precise tone, so pick whichever one you prefer accordingly. Dynamic microphones can also be used, especially if you are working in a less than ideal acoustic environment. A stable microphone is crucial, so make sure that you have a proper stand, and if recording to a computer, consider an audio interface. It will convert the microphone's analog signal into a digital signal for your computer. For this video, I chose the Focusrite ISA1 as an example, and a microphone from Audio-Technica, but any other model of microphone and interface will do. You should do your own research and pick whichever one you believe is most suited for the type of audio that you want to achieve. You can look for pencil style or pencil condenser microphones and you will be able to find good alternatives, including this one from Audio-Technica. Use an XLR cable to connect everything properly and headphones to monitor your recording. Another thing to note is the microphone placement. Placing the microphone around the 12th fret often captures a balanced representation of the guitar's tone, blending the warmth of the body with the clarity of the neck. Position the microphone about 6 to 12 inches away from the guitar, so this should be the ideal position. Small adjustments in microphone placement can significantly impact the sound, so moving the microphone closer to the sound hole will emphasize the lower frequencies, resulting in a warmer, bass-heavy tone. However, you should be cautious of excessive boominess. Moving the microphone closer to the neck will capture more of the higher frequencies, resulting in a brighter, more articulate sound. Experiment with the angle as well to reduce unwanted reflections and avoid the sound hole directly. Make sure that you are in a quiet space, minimizing background noise as much as possible, and tune the room acoustics. Next, make sure that you use proper software if you are recording on a PC with the inputs properly selected. So if you are using FL Studio, for example, go into the audio settings and configure the microphone that is currently connected to the audio interface and then your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to record acoustic guitar with one mic. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.